Okay, hey there, Spacefish here, and I'm going to show you how to make a text-to-speech app in a very quick and easy way. So first, we're going to go ahead and name our app Text-to-Speach App. Make sure it's a Windows form application. Click OK. It'll begin to build our app. Next, we're going to build the interface. So first thing we can do is change the form name. So text-to-speech. And then let's go ahead and get a text box. This is where we're going to be inputting our text that we're going to get the computer to speak. And let's go ahead and name that something. So instead of text box 1, we can just name it text, txt, input text, something like that, so I'll remember it. Underneath this, we're going to go ahead and add a button. This is going to be the button that we press to get the computer to speak. So let's go ahead and change that button name to button speak. And let's change the text to speak. Okay, so that's basically all we need for our user interface. So let's go ahead and let's make this button a little bit bigger. And then let's double click on the speak button. And you'll see this is our method for the speak button. So speak button click method. And the very important thing you're going to need to do first is make sure that you are using the speech library. So currently we don't have that. The way that you get that is you're going to go over to your Solution Explorer, right-click on your solution. So in this case, it's my text-to-speech app, whatever I named it. Right-click on that, go to Add, and then select Reference. We're going to see in the type libraries, there's a ton of different type libraries. We're going to scroll down to the Microsoft ones, and we're going to pick the one that says speech. There's actually two. One of them doesn't work, though, so we're going to click the bottom one. So Microsoft Speech Object Library, go ahead and click OK. Make sure you have this checkbox checked, then click OK. Now we can actually add the speech lib. So once you have that, go ahead and add our code for the actual speak button. So this is going to be really easy. We only need 3 lines of code to actually execute this. So the first thing we're going to do is create an object for the speech library. So sp, let's see, voice, and we'll just call it my voice equals new sp voice. And then our next line is going to be the string for our input text. So our input text is equal to the text of what is in our text box, .text. And then lastly, we're going to take our voice object, which we called my voice. We'll take that. And we're going to call speak on it, which is something that just comes with the speak library. And it's going to ask you for some input here. So the first thing we're going to do is the input text, which we've already assigned to the text box from our UI. And then the next bit is going to not really make sense to you, but just work with me on it. So it's going to be speech voice speak flags dot svs flags async. And all that means is that basically once this button is clicked, it's going to immediately speak. So that's all you need right here. This should be done. So we're going to go ahead and click Start. It's going to build our app. It's going to take a second. It's going to pop up here. All right, text-to-speech. We're going to go ahead and have it say something. Make sure my volume's turned up. So, hello, this is the Spacefish's computer. And moment of truth. We'll click speak, and hopefully you can hear it.
Hello, this is the Spacefish's computer.
So there you go. That's how you build a text-to-speech app with basically only 3 lines of code. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, and have a good day.